Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts. Welcome to sunny Wales, and today at our workshop we have this Ford Galaxy in. The original radio failed. Customer tried to get it repaired from 3 places, no joy. It came in to us and I said, look, you're spending money, good money on an old radio. Is it really worth it? He decided then after a conversation to go for the KENWOOD 5023, which is an entry level. It's an Apple CarPlay Android Auto. It is a wired system, not wireless, but it gives you all the features. Now, this particular unit is lovely, fits perfect. This particular car, we had a bit of an issue, so luckily we're a pro installer. This vehicle comes on 2 models, parking sensors, non-parking sensors, and you have to get the right stalk. Once you get the parking sensor stalk, there's also a CAN bus stalk, a non-CAN bus stalk. So, because this car was on a changeover, it wasn't easy to figure out. So we've ordered everything for the car. And yes, 1 out of the 3 items worked, and we were able to complete this. Now, if something like this interests you, give us a ring. If this was purchased on the internet, 1, the steering wouldn't work, the parking sensors wouldn't work, and you would have been going back and forth. And secondly, now the customer has a 3-year warranty. So it's worth going to a pro dealer. This has all the usual. You got your touch screen, you got your swipe, and from a basic CD player, this is an amazing solution. So speak to you all soon. Something like this interests you, come and see B&B Audio Concepts. We're based in Cardiff, 02920 707 275. Thank you.